Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a quick and easy treat holder for Easter. But of course these can be transformed into a birthday party favor or for a little classroom get together, any little occasion. They're super quick and easy, and that is why I'm sharing it today. So this is my simple stamping and paper craft, but isn't that adorable? I love this paper, and I knew it was going to be perfect for Easter and spring. And this is one of our coordination products that came out. And this is the Pleased as Punch Designer Series paper, but look how cheerful. And I've kind of been hoarding it because I really wanted to use it for springtime. And if you saw my video on Saturday that I posted one of my Facebook Lives, I used this paper and I used the coordinating punch to punch out these and make a simple treat holder. But look how cute this paper is. It's so springy and fun. And I've also used this on a Valentine project. So this is the Pleased as Punch Designer Series paper, and that's what this is, and we're just using Designer Series paper for this. So what you're going to need is a piece of 3.5 by 10, and then we are going to use our 3 by 6 gusseted cellophane bag. So this is what I'm filling. It is gusseted, so it's going to hold more candy. So I'm using these Sweet Tart jelly beans because I love the pastel colors of them, and also it was $1 at the Dollar Tree. And these are really good too. I actually tasted it because it said Sweet Tarts on it, and I thought they were really cute. So it matched the paper actually pretty good. That was one of the reasons why I used it. To seal this, all I am is doing is folding it in half, and I'm using a piece of regular Scotch tape to fold it over. This way we're not cutting it, and then we're going to have an open end. So that is how I'm using that. And then we are going to go ahead, let's go ahead and score this. So to score it, we are going to score on the 10-inch side. And when you're using the Simply Scored, this is just a little tip because this is my simple stamping, and I'm not sure that everybody knows this, but there are two ends, a small and a large. And when you're scoring Designer Series paper or a thinner paper, you want to use the fat one, the fat side, because this thinner side will go deeper into the groove, and you don't want that. You can use this one for cardstock or heavier paper. So what you're going to do, and the 10-inch side, is you're going to score it at 4, 5, and 9. And that is it. Like I said, it's very quick and easy. And I'm just using my fingers to fold this because you don't really need your bone folder for this. This paper folds very easily. And now to cut the top, you can do so many different things. You can use a framelit to cut a little design out here. I thought using one of our Stitch So Sweetly dies. I always forget how that goes, but you can actually place this on here and get a little ruffled edge. I'm going to do it the simple way because this is simple stamping. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting on a diagonal here, and then from that corner to the other side, just to give it a little bit of interest because we are folding it on the front side. I'm going to bring the big shot up, and if you have a punch that will fit here, go for it and use the punch. I'm using our layering ovals, and I thought this would be really cute because it's egg-shaped or oval. So I'm going to bring this big shot up here, and when you're cutting this in there, remember to place it a little bit further down on here so that you will have room for your little flap at the top. So I am going to place it right here. Just make sure there's about 1 inch here left, and just center it in the middle, and then run that through. And then as simple as that. You don't even have to punch a window in it. I just thought it was super cute, and because they are in the little cellophane bags, nothing is going to leak out. So I'm going to use some Terran tape to hold the bag in place. So I'm going to just put a piece right here, and I'm going to remove that backing. You can just use something strong for this, just to hold it in place. You know that they're going to tear it up anyway, because they're going to want that candy. And then this folds up here like that. And then what I did on the top is I just used some snail to close it. You can use some glue dots, but the snail, they'll be able to tear it open and get to the candy. All right, so I am using the Welcome Easter again. I love this, and I love coloring the images. If you're not a colorer, you can just stamp on it. Use any kind of, if you like, watercolor pencils, whatever your heart desires, you can use on this. But I'm using the Happy Easter and the little duck this time, and I already stamped him and colored him so that you didn't have to watch me, because I've done a few of these already, and you can go back on my YouTube channel and see how I colored those, because I've done it several times, so I thought I would make this a little bit easier for you. So here's our little duck, and we are going to go ahead and stamp the Happy Easter with some Memento Black. And this is all from the same stamp set, and I'll just do it right here. And it's really a cute Happy Easter. I really like it. I love the writing on it. And then we're just going to cut close to these letters. I do this quite a bit. And this piece is about a 1/2 inch, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit over a 1/2 inch. And then just checking to make sure I have it even. Just trim this a hair. There we go. That looks better. And then I'm just going to use some snail to add it to the bottom of the box, or the bag here. And then we're going to just add some on the back here and put our little duck sitting kind of on top of that Happy Easter. And there you have it. Super quick and easy. Isn't that adorable? Here's the other one with the little bunny. And there's also the little lamb that you can use on that. Aren't they cute? And they're so quick and easy and just really fun to do. So I have a new hostess code for March. There is my hostess code. I had to bring it in the view. I didn't realize it was out of the view. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day. If you'd like to order, you can go to stampingwithamore.com and shop. Have a blessed one. See you later, everyone. Bye.